Now moving forward, I request Dean Academics Dr. A.P. Hivrekar sir to guide the students on overall institute academic activities. Over to you, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Yes. So first, I would like to thanks to Pallavi madam for giving me this particular opportunity and all organizers, team members. And I would like to congratulate all toppers of first year engineering and all the students who are successful in last year. And it was very nice thing to hear the students, their views like Ameya, Sushti, Sanika, then Uday Singh, Rajashree Mane, and they have expressed their very positive views regarding our institute. I would like to also thanks to Monali More madam, Deepak Sonawne sir, Dr. Aparna Sajjan for expressing her presentation or presenting her views. Then Pallavi madam, as well as Professor Dr. A.S. Disle sir, who is a coordinator of this particular program. So I would like to salute to Srinivas Ramanujan. We are celebrating today as a birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan, and with that I will start my presentation. So once again, I would like to welcome all students and their parents for this particular activity. So in my presentation, I will make it brief because most of the points that are already covered very nicely by Head of Department, Dr. Aparna Sajjan madam. And in my presentation, I would like to highlight on the achievements of our institute, then VPKB IET academic activities, then efforts, whatever efforts we are taking, that I would like to highlight, then appreciation, expected outcomes, I will speak on that. And then finally, I would like to give some smart tips which are useful to students as well as to the parents. So, and some requests from my side to the parents. That is the last part of my presentation. As we have seen the students' achievements, just now you have heard Rajashree Mane, who was contingent commander in National Republic Day Parade at Rajpath, Delhi on 26 January 2021. That was a very good achievement for our institute. Our ENTC students, won third prize in Nasik Engineering Cluster Innovation Challenge in 2009. The students of ENTC department won first prize in Smart India Hackathon in 2019, held at Bangalore. Two projects received incubation from Atal Incubation Center at Agriculture Development Trust, Baramati. Our students received incubation from Bhavu Institute and Department of Science and Technology of 10 lakhs. And this was a project among the top 100 projects in KPIT Sparkle. Our students, they have achieved this particular automatic sugarcane cutter with bird detection, and they got funding from Ministry of Education Innovation Cell, MHRD. Students and faculty members presented their products at COSIC 2021. Product presentation to Vice Chancellor of Symbiosis International University, along with our President Honorable Sri Charitandraji Pawar Sahib was also present for this particular activity. 3 patents are published and 1 filed in year 2021. Automatic hand sanitation machine, which was developed by our students. 3D printer developed by our student who was at that time studying in 2nd year. And these are a few achievements. You can go through this. Ashish Mahamuni has received. Our students, they are not only good in academics, but they are also good in other activities also, in tabla, mimicry, folk dance, and all that. Then you can see that they have prizes. They receive prizes in zonal level, sports photography, solo dance. Then they participated in youth festival and they got the prize. Sujit Karandak drama competition, best actress award. So we are providing all opportunity to the students, and our students, they are participating and getting prizes in all these activities. So our students selected for the Cummins scholarships. And this is institute achievement record of 8 patents in a single day. That is a record made by our institute. Best research award in first International Scientist Award for Engineering, Science and Medicine by Dr. B.H. Patins. Young Scientist Award received our one of the faculty, Dr. Vijay Nagalkar. Our Professor Vice Principal S.B. Lande and Vijay Nagalkar and Sonal Nikam, as well as these faculty, they received 20 SIMO license with this all the details you can just see, which is from USA. Faculty publication, our faculty, they are publishing their papers, their research works in national, international journals. And our institute organizes faculty development programs, national conference, and we are taking part in almost all activities. Our institute IIIT coordinator, Dr. Dinesh Hanchate, who is coordinating with, connected with Career Katta, and he is Pune region, working in the Pune region, and he is having so many responsibilities in that. Industry Connect we have, and we have MOUs with more than 100 industries. Our 110 students have done internship under IIIC. Many webinars arranged in this particular activity, including Dr. Raghunath Mashilkar sir. Many industrial visits were organized, and we are going to organize in future also. We have, as already Aparna Sajjan Madam mentioned, 1,078 students placed in various industries. We have a very good achievement in NPTEL and 2nd rank in Maharashtra and 56th rank in India. Our students, they are performing very well in GATE examination, and last time one of the students who got ranked within 200. NAC A grade, we received NAC A grade, and our students, they are performing very well. One of the students, Asmita Dhawan, who was university topper in 2016-17, and some students, those who are subject-wise toppers, like in engineering maths 1, 2, and 3, all engineering maths 1, 2, and 3, they are university topper rank 1 because they score 100% marks in those subjects. So we have received permanent affiliation from Savitribai Phule Pune University. Our faculty, they are doing PhDs. Most of the faculties, they are either completed their PhD or they are enrolled for the PhD. And recently, one of the faculty, Dr. Anil B. Patil, who received PhD degree from Savitribai Phule Pune University. And another faculty is Dr. Vinod Todkari from Mechanical Engineering Department. He receives his PhD degree from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Loneri. And admission coordinator, Professor Dr. Anil Disle, sir, who received recently his PhD degree from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. And many faculty, they are in a line, they means very soon they will complete their work and they will also receive a PhD degree. So what is VPKB-IIT speciality in academics? So organized structure, we have got very good organized structure. I will speak on that. Then well-planned activities, whatever activities are there, we plan very well. Devoted teachers like academic coordinator, class teachers, mentors, and subject teachers. Efforts for success, all in all directions, in terms of institute, then parents, teachers, and we involve all them. Then well-equipped labs, green campus, encouragement for MOOCs. Out of the box, we have to think and we have to study the content which are not in the syllabus. We are promoting for that. Content behind the syllabus. Then our organization structure, if you just look at office staff, we have, these are all helping hands. Technical staff is there, teacher guardians, subject teachers, subject coordinators, class teachers, coordinator, head of department, deans, vice principal, principal, and management of Vidya Pratishthan. So there are only 12 in this list, but there are many more hands, those who are helping hand to every student. We have got institute coordinator for ERP system, timetable, internal examination, virtual labs. There is coordinator like institute coordinator as well as departmental coordinator, gate coordinator, MOOCs coordinator, study abroad, and many more activities are there. And there are departmental academic coordinators are also there. For every department, there is academic coordinators. And for your first year, Mrs. Gauri Ji Bhoite Madam is academic coordinator. Along with all these academic coordinators, there is a dean as well as associate dean. As I am working as a dean of academics, and along with me, Mr. Avinash Polekar sir is working as an associate dean. So our activities are very well planned because we need a very good output out of the that. And for that, training of the teachers is very important. And to train the teachers to share our experience for improvement, we have arranged we used to arrange internal quality improvement program. And this time also, we organize that particular program. And aim of that is to improve quality in all aspects, like maximum output, then less efforts and time. Develop good work culture, positivity while performing, then enthusiasm, then good team culture, then student, all these activities which are student-centered activities. So academic calendar we used to prepare. What are the efforts that we would like to take, or we used to take this? We prepare academic calendar, induction program that you very well known about it. Then quality assurance policy we develop. In every aspect we have to maintain a quality, and for that we prepared quality assurance policy. Subject assignment, whatever assignments we are giving, and there is a document how to give the assignment, and there is a policy regarding that. Then policy for student project, then course file contents. Teachers need to prepare their course file and what are the contents are required in that. So that document also we prepared. Internal audit we used to take of the teachers. Every teacher will have to go through internal audit at least twice in a semester. Then internal examinations, we are taking a lot of efforts in internal examination because that is a major component. In e-content, we used to provide all types of material in e-form like YouTube video lectures, then notes, summary and everything, assignments, and all those materials we are uploading on the Google Classroom. There is very good mentor system, and every batch of student, 20 students or 25 students, there will be a mentor and he will act as a parent. MOOCs, we are promoting for MOOCs, GATE, GRE, study abroad, and technical activities we used to conduct. So our principal R.S. Bijkar sir developed one model that is called Faster Me model for development or for betterment of the students, and it is having these notations. Yeah, for fundamental, student must be very good in fundamental. He must go to advanced level of his study. He must have very good soft skills, technical skills, entrepreneurship skills, research approach must be there. Then managerial approach must be also there, and he must be optimized while doing all these activities. So I will not explain this in more. Whenever time permits, our principals are definitely will elaborate this particular model, and maybe today or maybe later on, whenever he will interact with you all. Center establish and propose. We have got most of the faculty are having a center of excellence, and that is a very good thing about our institute. So we used to appreciate students whose attendance is 100% in first month, 95% in second, and overall attendance of the semester is 90%. We used to display their names and we appreciate them in the class also. Best academic performance in the unit test. So those whosoever perform well, we used to appreciate them. Best student award is there, best class award. Just now you have seen best class teacher, best mentor, best coordinator, best subject teacher. Those who perform very well, we used to appreciate them. And we have got psychologists and many sessions for first year students. If they are facing some difficulties, they can approach, and we will arrange the sessions, such sessions for first year students, not only for first year. It was for second year. It is also for second year, third year, and final year. And last year also, we started this activity. Technical activities we conducted last time, in which we give opportunity for the students for presenting their creativity, presentation, developing presentation skill, time management, teamwork, real life applications, understanding of the topic, and all those things. So for that, we organize a technical activity. Then best class award that was given last time, and in last 3 years we have organized or proposing this particular award, and the main objective of that is based on overall performance of the class. Then to give chance to every individual for improving performance, opportunity for exploring talent, contribute individually for your class, to become best learner, to build team culture, to make confident, competent, or handling new challenges through the group culture, and make your parent and teachers, society happy, proud by your performance. So that is the main objective of this best class award. And we have seen the results are very good, and students, they are participating and taking very actively part in this particular activity. And Sonone sir already announced that FE5 was the topper in last year, and the components was induction program. There is every student's performance is counted in the induction program, how you are performing, attendance, unit test performance, overall response, discipline, their university examination performance, and out of 900 points distributed to all these components. And based on that, we have the rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I really congratulate to FE5 of last year. They performed very well and they got rank 1. FE2, there was many ups and downs. FE2 was top at the beginning, and due to their results, FE5 they got very good result. That's why they got top position. And these results we used to display throughout the semester, so that you will come to know what is your score. Then we used to display or appreciate the students who are best students, and these names I have just shown you one division result. Then best coordinators, that was announced during last year, Dr. Disley. These are the names: Dr. Jyoti S. Kulkarni Madam, best class teacher; Nitin Jadhav, Dr. Nitin Jadhav sir was the best class teacher. Then Mrs. Gauri Boite Madam for FE5 division. And best mentors also we announced. And there are components based on their performance. These names are displayed. For FE1, best mentor was A.M. Jadhav sir. FE2, Dr. V.C. Todkari. FE3, Dr. N.T. Selke sir. FE4, Mrs. Surose Madam. FE5, Dandore sir. FE6, Bhagwat sir. Then we studied why students they are not performing well, and I'm not going into all details because there are many points, but I would like to just mention, if we have gone through all these points because of new college, new environment, first time stay out of home, no friends, new exam pattern, new subject, more subject, weak in basics, fundamentals, poor handwriting skills. These are the reasons for failure. Not interested in completing, forcefully admitted by parents, spending time in traveling, family problems, absent for unit tests, daily reporting. These are few reasons. Then health problem may be there, less self-awareness, lack of relationship with teachers, parents, as well as society, insecurity about futures, poor theory class attendance, time management. They are not able to manage time. Some students, they are playing mobile games. That's why they are not performing well. So these are few reasons, but there are many more, and we studied all this, and based on that component, we given a proper guideline to the students. And we used to take feedback continuously. And during last induction program, we have taken this particular feedback, and this is a diagram where students respond that our induction program helps to adjust with the new environment of the college, and 98% students, they are agreed with this. Then how this program helped to build your interaction with the faculty members, and 98% students they said that it was helpful. And that was really a very good sign, as a sign that whatever activities we perform, that reach to our students. And this is regarding students are satisfied or not. So 98% students, they are saying that out of 376 students, they responded, and 98% students, they are satisfied with the activities. So this is, there is no time to read all this, but few feedback you can read, and they are really very positive feedback they have given about all activities of the first year. Then we used to take overall feedback of the students time to time. Whatever study material we are providing, whether it reaches to student, 97% students say that they are satisfied with study material provided to them. Mentor system we are implementing, and 98% students, they are satisfied with the support provided by mentor system. Then efforts by teachers, 99% students, they are satisfied. And support provided, overall support provided to students, 99% students, they are satisfied with that. Out of 345 students, they have responded. And these are few feedbacks. I will not go into all details because already there is a time constraint, and achievement to whatever activities we have done, we have performed, and we have got the very good achievement. That is, in 2018 and 19, attendance was 77%. It was increased in 82% in 2019-20, and in 2021 it was 85%. So there was increment in the attendance. Then also you can see there is a increment in the result also, 68.17 in 2018-19. Here it is 89.36, and it is 100%. Maybe there is a component of COVID. That component also we have to consider, but definitely there is increment in the result, and the all credits go to my all faculty colleagues and students, those who perform well, and they responded to our activities. First class and distinction, if you look at, it was 28.73 in 18-19, and it is 98.01 in 2021. And due to overall efforts by teachers, students, parents, and institute, we got this particular result. And the main component is the response of the students. Whatever we are giving 100% from our faculty side, but how students are responding, that is very, very essential component, very important component, I mean to say. And during last year, we organized technical activity, and 92% student responded. And surely that is a very good thing that students, they have responded. So our expected outcome, because improvement is continuously there, and surely when we go at one stage, and at that stage we will see that there is a chance again to improve. And this time also we have an expected outcome, that is better performance. Like student response, we want 100%. Whatever we are giving to the students, whatever we are saying to the student, they must respond. Then attendance, we would like to improve by 3%, result also by 3%. Achieving excellence in every activity, continuous improvement, 100% placement, IIIC, institute interaction, industry institute interaction, and IIC. Then good relations with students, parents, teachers, society, alumni, industry, other institute, and so on. So that is our expected, and that is expectations. And students, what is required in the nowadays. So market मध्ये आपल्याला आता सध्या कशाची गरज आहे? The student who is having good technical knowledge and skills is required. Student with good communication skill, person with learning attitude, hard working, smart work, ability to think logically, good problem solving skills are required. I will elaborate this later on because of time constraint. And innovation skills are required. Team culture, leadership skills, ability to handle many tasks at a time. That is very essential quality. Student may perform while doing one activity, but he has given 3-4 activities, then it is impossible for him to perform. Ability to think out of the box, that is very essential quality. Honesty, politeness, dedication, devotion, and all these qualities are required. And from our side, we will try to do all types of the efforts so that our students will develop in all round. Development is required, and for that we will try from our side. So smart tips to the students, that is improve your communication skill. That is very, very essential. Students are lagging in communication skills. Start your study from the beginning. That is the second essential thing that you must do. Okay, then respond to our activities. Manage your time properly. Time management is very essential. Smart work along with hard work. Try to score at least 70% marks in whatever exam is there, unit test, university examination, whichever exam is there, you must try to score 70% marks. Participate in extracurricular, co-curricular activities. So not only study, you have to be there, you have to perform very well, but in all other activities also. We have seen that the students, though who got placed in very good companies, they are very active in extracurricular, co-curricular, and other activities. Learn new things. That is, you have to just think of that. You have to learn new things always. Maintain your good health. That is essential quality now. Is required due to COVID-19. We know that health factor is very important, and for that you have to maintain your health. You have to do regular exercise, at least half an hour you must spare for that. Then from my side, there is a request to the parents. So I hope that parents are there, and I'm really appreciate their efforts as they are present for this particular gathering, and we are there together for overall development of your child. And for that, you must do few things. That is, ask your student or child about his attendance, study status. You always ask and try to motivate him. At least do study every day, and 4 to 12 hours is the time span. Whenever college is going on, 4 hours study is very essential, and whenever there is preparation leave, he or she can study up to 12 hours. Unit test performance, there are various types of unit tests, and you ask your ward to what is the performance in unit test. Assignments we are giving time to time. Ask him or her to complete all the assignments. Always motivate to your child. In every case, you must motivate only, do not discourage. So that is the message from my side, and I really thankful to everyone for listening patiently. I wish all the best to my students, and we are very eager to see you in physical mode, and we are already connected to the students in online mode. So I again, thanks to organizers, then coordinator, Dr. A.S. Bisle sir, our principal sir, Dr. R.S. Bichkar sir, then head of department, Dr. Aparna Sajjan, Monali More madam, Deepak Sonawne, then Pallavi Bokte madam, and everyone for this particular gathering. Thank you very much. Over to you, Pallavi madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your very informative and elaborative presentation and your valuable guidance. Thank you once again.